So right now, we have some confirmation related to the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first up, let's talk about the benchmark score. People had worrying about a leak benchmark for the S25 Ultra that showed some poor performance with a single core score of 1,456, then a multi-core score of 6,522. But there's absolutely no need to worry here though. As for a start, we already seen much higher benchmarks in Geekbench. Secondly, this is clearly fake. As we can see, it's only got 8 gigabytes of memory, which is not a configuration that's going to be on offer for this 25 Ultra. The minimum is going to be 12 gigabytes now. Let's talk about the chipset. According to the rumors, Samsung is not use Exynos 2500 chip. Due to its production issue instead, Samsung has decided to use Snapdragon's 8 Gen 4 in their all-3 model, and Samsung use Exynos 2500 in Samsung Galaxy FE. Now let's talk about the One UI 7.0, according to the ICE universe. One UI 7.0 might look like on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, with inspiration from Apple's design. This update is expected to be one of the biggest ever, with many new AI features. And if we're talking about the design, the S25 Ultra come with curved corners, flat edges, and a 6.86-inch flat display. The phone's dimensions are 62.8 by 77.6 by 8.22 millimeter, and it's lighter than last year at 232 grams. So if you like my video, give a thumbs up and subscribe.